East Kashmir district to Southwest Kashmir district, which is opened in 1952. So it's very old district. Beside that, so this we consider this road is very important because it's connected to this Barat. And beside that, we connect to many tourism spots. And number two is when people they face a lot of problem to deliver a child during their time of exact amount of deliver. So regarding this, we would like to request user to upgrade this two sub-center to the primary health center. And also we would like to request you to create multi-building subdivision at Mausundam. As you know that Mausundam is an block and it covers 166 villages and it covers the area of 61,450, around 54,109. So we have so many infrastructure regarding many infrastructure of government facilities. So in order to maintain good facility condition, it's urgently required to have our own building solution in the area. And besides that, we also to request you to create agriculture inspector circle at South Bay area. Because in South Bay area, 90% engaged in agriculture. So we request you, sir, that if you can create inspector circle in South Bay, it will be helpful for the farmers in the entire area. The last one is providing facilities for the whole Mausundam area. Though Mausundam has rewarded as the wettest place in the world, but we are still have crisis regarding this drinking water facility.
Buat lang.
Half of the Federation Kasih Jati and Government, so we submit a memorandum to the Public Account Committee. So the main thing, the main memorandum that we submit to the government, the Public Account Committee is to improve, to upgrade the Moplang Barat Road to National Highway. As we know, Southwest Kashmir district and also is connect to the international market and is a border hub at the end in Balam. And also it's very important because connect to the cool area and limestone area. So besides that, we connect to the many tourism spots in this entire area of the Mausundam. So we strongly demand the government to upgrade this road so that the people of this area will be easy to travel and to reach Shillong within a few minutes, within a short time. As we have been here for the many years, we are so wastage our time because of this bad condition of the road.